Okay, dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and also we are in definite integrals, and in this class we are going to solve question number 29 to 32. Okay, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, let us see what they have given. Question number 29 in Eamcet 2007 question. Integral 0 to 2 pi x into sin to the power of 6x cos to the power of 5x dx. You see, if you compare this with generalized formula, what we know, integral 0 to pi by 2 without this x, sin power m and cos power n x dx, that formula we know. But here slightly variation is there. Why? Because see here 0 to pi by 2 is not there, 0 to 2 pi is there. That is one thing. Another thing, x additionally has come, multiplication. Then how to tackle these questions also, we will take two types of the two questions, this also we will get experience. Okay, one more question also we are going to take with x. Okay, see what we have to do. 0 plus 2 pi minus x, I am applying that. Okay, see what I am doing. 0 to 2 pi only. 0 plus 2 pi minus x means 2 pi minus x will come. Sin of 2 pi minus x whole to the power of 6 cos of 2 pi minus x whole to the power of 5 dx. Okay, this property we know. Okay, see 0 to 2 pi, 2 pi minus x you cannot do anything. What about sin 360 minus theta? Minus sin theta. Minus sin theta, but power 6 is there. Plus sin theta, that means sin x only will come. Sin to the power of 6x. Okay. What about cos 360 minus theta? Simply plus sin theta, plus cos theta. That you cannot do anything. Cos to the power of 5x, same thing is going to come. Okay. That is equal to. See, same thing has come, but earlier only x was there, now 2 pi minus x has come. This is I only. Don't forget, this is I only. Now see, 2 pi times this one minus x times this one I am writing. Let us write. 0 to 2 pi. 2 pi I will take outside. Then write down sin to the power of 6x cos to the power of 5x dx minus x time, not x time. Minus 0 to 2 pi x into minus of, minus I have taken already outside, x into this one again, sin to the power of 6x cos to the power of 5x dx. Okay? Okay. Now you tell me what is this after minus 0 to 2 pi x sin 6x cos 5x is this I only, na? X into. Okay? Shall I write like this? I is equal to this one 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi sin to the power of 6x cos to the power of 5x dx minus I. Okay, then minus I you set this side, 2i. 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi. Earlier 0 to 2 pi was there, but 50% I have reduced, 2 times I will make it. 0 to pi 2 times. Okay, 0 to 2 pi 1 time, 0 to pi 2 times. Wait a minute. Why? Because see 2 pi also I have to write, na? 2 pi. Let me write 2 pi into 2. 0 to pi. Now see, earlier 0 to 2 pi only 2 pi was there. Now 0 to pi 2 pi into 2 pi 2 times. Then write down this. Okay, this okay, let me write first, afterwards we will see. Sin to the power of 6x cos to the power of 5x dx. Okay, see these two I am going to cancel out. Then what will happen? I directly I will come. I is equal to 2 pi times integral 0 to pi. Now like 0 plus 2 pi minus x, 2 pi minus x, again 0 plus pi minus x, pi minus x, right now. Sin of pi minus x whole to the power of 6 cos of pi minus x whole to the power of 5 dx. See, sin pi minus theta means sin theta only. Why? Because second quadrant for sin is positive, and because of pi horizontal angle, sin only will come. Okay, that is equal to 2 pi times integral 0 to pi. This is sine 6 power, sine to the power of 6x only will come for this. What about cos? Cos pi minus x means second quadrant, cos goes means it is going to become negative. Negative means shall I write negative here? Minus 2 pi cos to the power of 5x dx. Why? Because pi is horizontal angle, cos means cos only will come. Okay, now you tell me what is this? Wait a minute, you see here 2 pi is here, 2i is equal to 2 pi, 0 2 pi this one. I has come again this one. Okay, now see, shall I write 2i is equal to 0? We call plus and minus. Understand? Okay? 2i is equal to 0 or else I is equal to 0. You put the value of I is equal to 0, that's all. Okay? Let us go for next question. Okay. See, Eamcet 2017 question, one more same type of question we are taking, but now sine to the power of m is odd here. N is even but m is odd, but x has come, 0 to pi has come, not 0 to pi by 2. Okay, this model also we will do. Okay, now 0 plus pi minus x, write down. This you take as I. Integral 0 to pi only, but pi minus x will come this time. And sine of pi minus x will come to the power 7, cos of pi minus x will come to the power of 6 dx. Okay, 0 plus pi minus x, that property we know. Okay, now that is equal to 0 to pi will be like this only, pi minus x we cannot do anything. Sine of 180 minus theta, sine theta, sine to the power of 7x only will come, sine to the power of 7x. Cos of 180 minus theta, minus cos theta will come, minus cos theta, but minus cos theta to the power of even power. Same cos to the power of 6 theta will come. Okay, you see I has been changed, same has come, but now earlier x was there, now pi minus x has come. Same thing like earlier. Okay, write down 0 to pi, pi you take outside, sine to the power of 7x, cos to the power of 6x minus integral 0 to pi minus x. Write down x into sine to the power of 7x, cos to the power of 6x dx. What is this? This is I. This is I. Write down. I is equal to pi times 0 to pi sine to the power of 7x, cos to the power of 6x minus I. Okay, comma. That is I, same. Set this side, 2i. 2i is equal to pi times 0 to pi by 2, this time I am writing into 2. 50% I have reduced and 2 times I am making. Then sine to the power of 7x, cos to the power of 6x dx is equal to. Okay? Now see what I am doing here. See this 2 going to get cancelled out, then I only will be there, I is equal to pi times. Pi times are going to come, but this formula is there. This formula 0 to pi by 2 sine power m cos power m. That formula I am writing. You see, whenever m is not even, what is the formula? That formula. See, earlier like only n minus 1 by m plus n, okay, up to 1 by m plus 2 into m minus 1 by m up to not 1 by 2 here, because it is odd, 2 by 3, that's all. 1 by pi by 2 will not come, 1 by 2 will not come here. Okay, this is the formula. This formula you substitute, you are going to get the answer. Okay, let me do it. That is equal to pi is there outside. Pi times n minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5 by n plus 1, 7 plus 6, 13 into reduce 3 by 11 into 1 by 9. Okay. See, n minus 1 means 6 minus 1, 5 by m plus n, 7 plus 6, 13. These two first if you write minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Okay, 1 by 9. That's all. 1 minus 2 we cannot do, minus you cannot do. Okay, that is over. 1, wait. 1 by n plus 2, 1 by 7 plus 2, 9 has come. Okay, into m minus 1 by n, 7 minus 1, 6 by m, 7. Okay, m minus 1 by m, 7 minus 1, 6 by 7, 6 by 7, minus 2, 4, minus 2, 5, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, 2 by 3. See, 2 by 3 should be your last digit, last term. That's all over. Now you don't do anything. Okay, you see, 3 ones, 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 threes, 5 ones, 5 ones. Anything else? No. Okay, write down then. You see, 1 1 1, 2 4 2, 16, 16 pi by, see, 13 into 33. You take 33. 13 into 33 into 13 into 33 into 7. Okay? Yes, sir. 7. That is equal to. I don't think 16 pi is going to, what we can say, give any result like. Okay. And let me write 16 pi by 3033, it should come. Then only your answer is correct, or else your answer is wrong. 13 sevens are, see, 13 7, 7 threes are 21, 7 ones are 7, 91. That means you see 91 into 33. 16 pi by 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. 3 7 2, 3 10 10 3, 3033. Yes, 3003. Yes, correct. Answer is correct. 3003. Okay, this is the answer. Let us go for next question. Okay, see, question number 31. Little bit carefully observe this. Why? Because if you are not able to separate it and do some in some way, then you are not going to get answer for such type of questions. This type of questions, 2 questions we will do. Okay, answer 2017 question. Good question. Observe carefully. Limit n tends to infinity. 1 by n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 by n plus 2 up to 1 by 3n. Okay, see here what will happen. N to 3n it is going in denominator. How I am splitting, this is very important. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by n plus limit n tends to infinity 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 by n plus 2 plus up to 1 by 2n plus limit n tends to infinity 1 by 2n plus 1 plus up to plus 1 by 3n. First of all, you stop and analyze whether we have splitted this correctly or not. In mind, you take n as 10. 1 by 10 to 1 by 30. 3 into 10 is 30. Okay, 1 by 10 to 1 by 30. Okay. 1 by 10 is there. Okay. After 1 by 10, 1 by 11. 1 by 11, 10 plus 1. Up to 1 by 20, 2 into 10. 1 by 11 to 1 by 20. 1 by 21 to 1 by 30. That means 1 by 10 to 1 by 30 are there. That means we have whatever we have splitted, this is correct. And now come back. That is equal to. Now you tell me 1 by 0 is infinity, 1 by infinity is 0. That means straight away this is 0, first term, plus. Now observe carefully how I am changing this. This is very crucial. Limit n tends to infinity. Okay, n tends to infinity. See, 1 by n I am taking outside. 1 by n I am taking outside. If I take 1 by n outside, 1 by 1 plus 1 by n. First term. If you send automatically n plus n by n. N by n is 1, n plus 1, n plus 1. Correct? Okay. 1 by 1 plus 2 by n. But because this separation is very important, or else you are not going to get the answer. N into 1 n by n cancel, n plus 2, okay, plus 1 by 2, n into 2, 2n, 1 by 2, okay, over. Now come back here, plus limit n tends to infinity, okay, here like this first term and last term only I will write, okay, 1 by n you have to take common, 1 by n here also I have taken common outside. See, 1 by 2 plus 1 by n. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Why? Because see, 2n plus 1, okay. Like this it will go up to 1 by 3. 1 by n into 3, 1 by 3n. That's all. Okay, over? Yes. Now come back again. This is 0, we need not write. That is equal to, see, limit n tends to infinity. Okay, n tends to infinity. Sigma r is equal to 1 to n. 1 by n into 1 by 1 plus r by n. Now you need not write all this. First observe what I have written. This is 0, I have not written. Limit n tends to infinity, okay. 1 by n is also okay, but you see sigma summation I am doing. R is equal to 1 to n, r by n. First term, r is equal to 1 plus 1 by n. Next term, r is equal to 2, 1 plus 2 by n. Last term, r is equal to n, 1 plus n by n, that means 1 plus 1, 2. Okay? Okay. Now, plus limit n tends to infinity, sigma r is equal to 1 to n. Same like here, 1 by n also same. Okay? But wait, here okay, wait. Here you see 1 by 2 plus 1 by n. 1 by 2 plus r by n. Is it okay? First you see, limit n tends to infinity 1 by n, limit n tends to infinity 1 by n is over. R I have brought 1 to n. First term is r1, 2 plus 1 by n, 2 plus 1 by n. Last term is r is equal to n, 2 plus n by n. That means n by n means 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay? Over. Now see, I want to write one formula. If at all you get this limit n tends to infinity, sigma r is equal to 1 to n, 1 by n, 1 by 1 plus r by n, that is equal to, see, r by n you consider in your brain as x. Integral 0 to 1, 1 by 1 plus x dx, straight away. 1 by 1 plus x dx integral 0 to 1, simply. Okay, see, then what about limit n tends to infinity, sigma r is equal to 1 to n 1 by n 1 by 2 plus r by n. Simply integral 0 to 1 by 2 plus x dx. Here 1 plus r by n 1 plus x. 2 plus r by n r, this is r. 2 plus x dx, that's all. Okay? Now shall we replace these two with the integral? Yes, definitely. Then write down that is equal to integral 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x plus integral 0 to 1 dx by 2 plus x. What are these values? Log of 1 plus x. But 0 to 1 plus log of 2 plus x. Zero to 1. Is it okay? Yes. Write down there. See, log of 1 plus 1, log 2. Minus log of 1 plus 0, log 1. Plus log of 2 plus 1, log 3. Minus log of 2 plus 0, log 2. That is equal to. You see, log 1 is 0, log 2 plus log 3 minus log 2. Minus log 2 plus log 2 cancel out. The answer is log 3. Log 3 means to the base e. This is the answer. Okay? Let us go for next question. Okay. See question number 32. Eamcet 2018 question. Good question. Limit n tends to infinity. Square root of 1 or 1 into root 1 plus 2 into root 2 plus 3 into root 3 plus up to n into root n, like you think numerator. Divided by n to the power of 5 by 2. What will be the answer, like they are asking this question. Okay. See, you have to split this, then you are going to get the answer. You see, let n tends to infinity, you see, see, sigma r is equal to 1 to n I am taking. R is equal to 1 to n. First r 1 is root 1. That means you shall write like this r root r. Why? Because by seeing this itself, see, finally n you are going to do n root n, r root r. Okay, divided by, see, r by n you have to bring. That is why denominator don't write r, you have to write n form. R by n means x you can replace. Then you can put it in integral form. That logic you have to strike in your mind. N to the power of 5 by 2, how you are going to see? Temporarily you keep n to the power of 5 by 2 like this only. Temporarily. Okay? You need not change. Now next step I am telling what you are going to do. Okay. Now you see that is equal to, again, limit n tends to infinity. Now I will take 1 by n as common. Why? Because 1 by n you have to take common. 1 by n sigma r is equal to 1 to n. You see 1 by n has gone. Then you see here r to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, see, n has gone already outside. Then what will be there here? N plus 1 by 2. N plus 3 by 2. N to the power of 1 into n to the power of 3 by 2. 2 plus 3, 5 by 2. That means see, n power 3 by 2 only will come. Understand? Okay, shall I write this like this? You see how I am writing? That is equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 by n sigma r is equal to 1 to n r by n whole to the power of 3 by 2. Now r by n form has come. R by n means you can replace with x for integral. How can you write this? This is equal to integral 0 to 1 x to the power of 3 by 2 dx. X to the power of 3 by 2 dx. Why? Because this is all going to make integral 0 to 1. This we know. In last question also I have seen. Then you do it. X power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1, 0 to 1. Okay? 3 plus 2, 5 by 2. 5 by 2, 5 by 2. That means see 2 by 5 it is going to become denominator 2 by 5 into x power 5 by 2, 0 to 1. That is equal to 2 by 5 into 1 if you go automatically 1 power something is 1 minus 0 if you go 0. That means see 2 by 5. Understand? Okay? Now we stop this class. We will continue in the next class. Okay? Thank you very much.